Never miss a beat with Notificall. Say goodbye to delayed notifications for any app you've downloaded from Google Play that sends you notifications. Get notifications as they happen, not when your Android device wakes up or its maintenance window comes on to allow notifications through. In the last few years, battery charge-up time has taken over the spotlight. And when your phone's asleep, screen is off, your notifications get delayed! Acceptable when you are waiting for that special someone to message you on your favorite social media app, or the newest drop happens in your favorite game. Gillette's battery saving features should never slow your connections. Notificall restores your device's core purpose, timely communication. With Notificall at the helm, there will be no more keeping your device's screen on to receive them in a timely manner. So whether you're chasing likes, messages, being one of the first on the scene,